purity, simple essence. Purity breathing is Prachardana Pranayama, throwing breath out. We'll be inhaling for 3 counts, exhaling for 3 counts, and then holding the breath out for 3 counts. This practice promotes a deeper relaxation, a release of fear, and an experience of your pure essence. Find yourself in a comfortable, easy position. Relax your body and begin exhaling all the breath out of the body. Inhaling for 3, 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 3, 2, 1, and hold the breath out. 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath out. 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath out. 3, 2, 1. Again, inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath out. 3, 2, 1. And notice your experience of pure essence. Purity meditation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, relaxing your body, softening your chest and your heart. And bring to your mind any so-called negativities or misdeeds that can be done by you or by others. And once you've found these, then gently send these back down to your heart. Walk them down to your heart and kindly return them back into silence. And return them to the original seed of love. Now bring to mind any so-called regrets or guilty feelings, and gently send these back to your heart. Walk them down into your all-encompassing heart. Let your heart gently hold these, and from there kindly return them back into the silence. Return them to the original seed of love. Now bring to mind any positive qualities, gifts, and talents that you may have and adore, or in others that you admire. And once you've found these, gently send them back into your heart. Walk them down. Let your heart hold all these positive qualities and talents, and kindly return them back into the silence. Return them to the original seed of love. Now reflect on silence. Silence receiving all. Now reflect on love. Love receiving all. And just being in your simple essence.